Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. If you love gardening as much as I do, you'll want to hear about an important topic today: why we should consider ditching traditional fertilizers. Yep, you heard me right. Let's explore 5 reasons why it might be time to rethink how we nourish our gardens. And I'll share some exciting alternatives that will transform the way you garden forever. Reason number 1: chemical fertilizers harm our environment. You see, these fertilizers are packed with synthetic chemicals that can leach into our soil and water systems. When it rains, these chemicals can wash away, polluting nearby water sources and disrupting the delicate balance of nature. Plus, they can harm beneficial insects and wildlife that play a vital role in our gardens. Isn't that concerning? Now, on to reason number 2. Chemical fertilizers degrade soil health over time. It might seem like a quick fix to use these fertilizers, but in reality, they can strip the soil of its natural nutrients and microorganisms. Over time, this leads to compacted and lifeless soil that's unable to support healthy plant growth. It's like trying to build a house on a weak foundation eventually. Everything crumbles. Here's reason number 3. Chemical fertilizers can be harmful to our health. Yep, you heard me right. Residues from these fertilizers can end up on the plants we eat, exposing us to potentially harmful chemicals. Plus, the production of synthetic fertilizers contributes to air and water pollution, impacting our overall well-being. Shouldn't our gardens be a sanctuary for health? Reason number 4: chemical fertilizers are not sustainable. The manufacturing of synthetic fertilizers requires large amounts of energy and resources, contributing to carbon emissions and environmental degradation. We're talking about a cycle of harm that's simply not sustainable for our planet's future. It's time to break free from this reliance and embrace a more eco-friendly approach to gardening. Last but not least, reason number 5: natural alternatives are better for your garden and the planet. Instead of relying on chemical fertilizers, why not explore organic composting, cover cropping, or companion planting? These methods not only enrich the soil naturally, but also encourage biodiversity and resilience in your garden ecosystem. It's a win-win for both you and Mother Nature. So, fellow gardeners, it's clear that using traditional fertilizers might not be the best choice for our gardens or our planet. By making the switch to natural alternatives, we can nurture thriving gardens while protecting the environment for future generations. Let's take this journey together and discover the endless possibilities of sustainable gardening. Together, we can make a positive impact one garden at a time. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and eco-friendly practices. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!